What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making a French toast breakfast sandwich. It's going to be a perfect little sandwich for this morning. Can't wait to eat it. We're going to just go ahead and start off with some get out of there. Some a hash brown. Got a frozen, one of them pre-made hash brown deals. Bam, let's just get that thing going real quick. And then we got some bacon. Got two slices of thick cut hickory smoked bacon. Get them going. I got my grill. Let me see. This burner's off, and these three are on high right now. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my second one off. And yeah, we should be good with that. I'm going to be using some nice thick Texas toast for this French toast. Got some eggs going on there. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Let's see how we're looking on this bacon. Oh, we like our bacon crispy. And that is perfect. So I got this burner off, these two burners are all the way off. And we are at 200 degrees over there, so that stuff's fine. Let's see how we're looking on this hash brown. I'm just gonna set you aside. Ooh, that looks good. All right, now we're about to make the French toast. I'm just trying to get some of this stickiness off here. Keep some of that oil, some of that bacon grease over here. Ooh, buddy. All right. We're good. Now this is the mixture I got. I got 2 eggs in here. Got 2 eggs, about a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, and some cinnamon, about a teaspoon of cinnamon in there. And yeah, so let's go ahead and make some French toast. So I got the French toast nice and ready. Let's just plop some of this on down. Boom. Get that frying up. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, that's nice. Let me wash my hand here. Got some wipes. All right, now let's get going on this egg. So what I'm gonna do, I got my ring, my silicone ring. Just gonna spray some avocado oil on it so the stuff don't stick. Let's go ahead and put that right there, get that warming up. Take another peek at this, make sure. Yep, we're still good over here. Oh, buddy. All right, that stuff's good. Let's check our temperature. We're at 370. 370, all right. Let's go ahead and do it. Boom. Keep that thing pushed down. We got some egg. So we're gonna throw a little pepper on this egg. Oh yes. A little salt. Not much. A little kosher salt. All right, now everything's just warming up. We're about ready to build this thing. So you see everything's ready right here. Now we're gonna start building this and put a little something on it. All right, let's give this a taste. I wish we would have got the bigger Texas toast, but they didn't have any, so we had to go with the smaller pieces. But right here we got some of that hash brown, that egg. Mmm. Mmm. Powdered sugar. Man, that is delicious. The crunchiness from that hash brown. That bacon's nice and crispy. That powdered sugar, delicious. Love it on my French toast. This is just all around amazing. Everything. I'm gonna get in, eat my breakfast, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Hit that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.